Peter, why is electricity transmitted using AC and not DC? I heard DC is actually more efficient, so why don't we use it instead?
Really good question, Stewie. The main reason AC is used is because it's easy to change the voltage using transformers, and changing voltage is critical for efficient transmission.
Why is changing voltage so important for transmission?
Well, the power loss in transmission lines happens because of the resistance in the wires. The energy lost as heat is proportional to the square of the current flowing through the wires. P equals I squared R.
So, higher current means more energy lost?
Exactly. But power equals voltage times current. So if we increase voltage, we can decrease current for the same power transmitted. Lower current means less loss.
And transformers work only with AC, right?
Yes. Transformers use magnetic fields that require alternating current to step voltage up or down efficiently. That's why AC transmission became the standard.
But what about DC? Aren't there technologies that let us transmit DC over long distances efficiently?
There are. High voltage direct current, or HVDC. Systems are used today for very specific applications where DC has advantages.
Like, what kind of applications?
HVDC is especially useful for very long-distance transmission, underwater cables, and connecting two power grids that operate at different frequencies or aren't synchronized.
So HVDC can connect grids that otherwise can't work together?
Exactly. For example, the cables linking the UK with Norway or intercontinental submarine power cables use HVDC. It reduces losses over long distances compared to AC cables.
Why is HVDC better underwater or underground?
Before that, a message from our sponsor. PCBWay is the ultimate service to manufacture 3D printed parts, custom PCBs, and CNC'd metal parts. During September, there is a huge 3D printed TPU parts discount. There's also a limited free offer for purple solder masks on PCBs and a design contest with big prizes. You can also join PCBWay's first 3D printing design contest with huge awards. Visit PCBWay.com for all the details.
Because AC cables suffer from something called capacitive losses, which becomes significant when cables are buried or submerged for long distances. DC cables don't have that problem.
I see. So HVDC is more efficient in those special cases, but AC is simpler and cheaper for the regular grid?
That's right. AC systems are easier to build, maintain, and expand, and the equipment is less expensive. That's why the majority of the world still uses AC.
So, to sum it up, AC for general transmission because of transformers and cost, and HVDC for specific cases like long underwater cables or connecting unsynchronized grids?
Exactly. It's all about using the right technology for the right situation.
Makes sense. Thanks, Peter. Comment HVDC.